Welcome to day 5 of our Boldly Become You workshop. This workshop is for women who want more out of life, more confidence, more fun, more happiness, more relationships. You know, if you've been working on yourself over these last few days in our workshop, you'll know that everything is possible. All of these wonderful feelings of the heart and creating a life that is in line with our deepest desires. So I'm really excited for today's workshop. If you're new here, my name is Vicky Lord and I help women have everyday confidence so you can go after what you really want in life. And over the last 5 days or last 4 days, we've worked on our soul's deepest desires and we've worked on the fears and the roadblocks that hold us back. And what we're going through today is understanding community and understanding friendship and connection is a very vital part of where we're going moving forward. And I actually created this course so that I could get to know more people, and it would offer a place where women could come and connect and work on themselves and their lives, however that looks to them. So I'm excited to have you coming forward. I've got a screen share for you today so that I share what I wanted to share with you and not forget anything. And so today's day 5 is about finding your tribe and meeting new people along the way. And I've met some amazing people in my life, and people have transformed where I am today. I remember joining this group of women, and there was like about 7, 8 of us sitting at the table, and I was the quietest, shyest, meekest one out of them all. And I just longed to be like these amazing other women. And today I am like that because I put myself around them people. So it's totally possible for you too to create a beautiful community of people that will align with your mission and where you're going forward. And so this is the power of connection. Healing and growth doesn't have to be lonely or done alone. You can join a group of people. And we thrive when we feel seen, heard, and supported. And sometimes the most powerful moments come from simple, honest connection. It doesn't have to be like a long-term friend. I met my friend along the way. I didn't know her a few years ago. This is one of my close friends today. And we've built this amazing friendship, but I never knew her until I joined this community of women. So you never know who you will meet along the way. And what makes a great friend is someone who listens without trying to fix you. They may have some great strategies, but it's not their core thing to do. But they want to be with you just because you're you. And they encourage your dreams without judgment. And they hold space for you, all of the messy and the magical and the growing of you, because you're amazing. And they celebrate your wins and walk with you even when it's tough or challenging. And so I want to ask you today, if you're keen to meet new people. If you are, I do have a group, Bold Connections, for women who want to work on more in their life, and meet new people. But I'll tell you about that after. What I wanted to go through first was understanding what community is first. And um, the benefits of community. So if you think of community, it's a sense of belonging and it's a sense of all going in the one direction. And so the benefits is you're part of like-minded people, which means that they're growing as well. And so if you look at your current situation, have you got people that are going where you want to go? They bold and they're going for courage, and um, or are you after a different tribe that is all about feet grounding and knowing what it's like to be of the earth? And so it's getting clear on basically where you are right now and where you want to go with the people. So, in your workbook today, we've got some self-assessment part that you can fill in, and it's about reflecting on where you are right now with your current circle of people. And then, if there's any areas of life that you want to change, defining your ideal tribe moving forward. Who do you want to hang out with moving forward? And then on the following page, we've got some strategies for connection. So brainstorm some methods on where and how you can meet new people. Um, both online and offline. You know, I met my good friend Sharon online. I saw her online. I just reached out to her one day and said, "Hey, do you want to have a chat?" And ever since that one chat, we've never stopped chatting. And so, um, friendships can just happen like that. And then also being a valued member of the tribe. So, or the community that you're in. You know, it doesn't have to be all give, give, give to me, but what can you give to others as well? And then setting an intention for your life moving forward and understanding that life is fun and you can have that tribe of fun people too. You know, I know this lady and she said to me that she hangs out with this other lady because she's so much fun and she likes to laugh. So she found people who laughed more. Um, but if you wanted to go through this workbook, it has a checklist on the back of accessing um, your tribe and like getting some ideas on where to go moving forward. You can get this workbook below. I'll link it. But if you do want to connect with more people and you're not sure if the tribe is right for you, I am offering a connection call to see if our tribe is a fit for you. I'm creating this beautiful group called the Bold Connections Mastermind, and it's for women who want to meet new people. That's the core thing of it. Like, what new friends can we create in this life moving forward? And if that resonates with you, I'll leave the just reach out to me and say hello, or I'll leave a link below where you can book a connection call. And I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching in this 5 days. I'll link the link below so that if you missed out on the first 4 days, you can download this workbook and do the whole 4 days previously to this one. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.